Be polite. Concentrate. Do your best. English, please. Be polite. Concentrate. Do your best. English, please. Hello, primary steps. It's Friday. It's assembly time. It's been an interesting week, but we are trying to keep the primary steps spirit alive. No running in the corridors. Congratulations. Great job, everybody. No one was sent to sin bin. Great job. Thank you. And as usual, some students went beyond our expectations. Have a look at Lena's work. Amazing. This is Lena's ECP, the Corona Chronicles, Part 1. All about her life as it is now and how she felt when she was told she would be off for 2 weeks. And, well, the reality of distance learning and distant living. It's a great achievement and a great start. Thank you, Lena. Great work coming in from all angles, which shows you no matter what life throws at us, we will continue. We'll work together. We are primary steps. We do our very best. So, one more thing to do. From me to you, teachers, parents, pets too. Let's go. Said primary, primary, primary. Do your best. Primary, primary, primary. Do your best. Primary, primary, primary. Do your best. Said primary, primary. Primary steps, do your best. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you. Take care.